Hello there, everyone. This is Ghost Dog again. I'm sorry I haven't been around for quite some time. I had some things to take care of, as you all know, I suppose. I hope you're all doing all right, and here I am with another tutorial. So, I've been looking last couple of days throughout the forum, THS forum, and I noticed there were a few tutorials about building custom Kali or custom distro based on several operating systems. And I saw the tutorial that my friend and mate Dark Soldier put down. A great job indeed. And it was on Mint, Debian, and Debian multi-arc. Well, yes, that would definitely work fine. Debian is 100% compatible with Kali Linux repository and tools, except there was a problem with Ubuntu. Ubuntu wasn't compatible 100%, and the tools had some problems with compatibilities and dependencies. Anyway, it took me a couple of days to figure it all out, and I'm gonna just show you around a little bit. Right, so let's start by saying that I'm using Ubuntu 12.04 long time support, and the original kernel 32040, 64-bit. Cool. Right, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna need this repository I'm gonna show you right now, but I'll put it later on the description. Alright, so we go to etc, we go to apt, where's apt? Apt, and then we go here, open this, and the 4 lines here of the repository, this one, you're gonna need to put that on. And then what you're gonna need is let me go to documents. I prepared everything here, so I'm going to post it later, and you're going to need this this public new GNU key, that one as well. I'll show you how to do that as well. So after you have added this repository and you have acquired or registered the key, okay, all you have to do is just open Synaptic. Let me go down to Synaptic, and here we are. Right, once you and then you you reload Synaptic, and you're going to end up with those 2 lines is LPPPA Weigungs Kali Linux precise. So you're going to have to these tools are compatible with precise Ubuntu 12.04. Obviously, there are some tools, the same tools are compatible with the most recent version of Ubuntu, but you better use Precise because it's long-time support and you have more, it's going to be updated. And I don't know if you guys know that from now on, every version of Ubuntu is going to last only 9 months. It's not as it used to be 1.5 years. 9 months every version of Ubuntu, except for the long-time support is going to last 7 years. So this is for your information. I am a faithful Ubuntu user, and I can't see myself using any other distro except Ubuntu. Anyway, having said this, okay, so all the tools were installed. Let's say from 350 tools, there were about 3 or 4 they did not install, but I managed to install them anyway later on from their own website. Cool. So I just named it Broken Arrow instead of Kali, and the tools are pretty much here. Metasploit, as usual, is there. And let me scroll more through here. Let's pick the set as well. Okay, let's scroll down to wireless. Let's see what we can get from wireless. Wi-Fi, why not? See, everything works right from the blink. The only problem was some tools such as GUI tools. GUI tools like, hold on a second, here, let's go to File System and go to opt, where I left all the, for example, Fern Wi-Fi cracker. I couldn't manage to install it from the repository, so all I had to do is go to its own website, opened it, and then all you have to do just I know just click, open the GUI and execute it, and it will work no problem at all. I guess it's somewhere along the line. Yeah, I think it's this one. It executes as the Python. Anyway, so there's this one, and there's aircrack GUI as well, and you can run aircrack GUI if you want to. There it is. See. Yeah, you can add those to the menu if you want to, as a menu here. So all you have to do just work on your way here. Hold on a second. Okay, we go down here. Let me close some things. Close that. And you can just, all you have to do is add a tool, just wireless, and you go new item and navigate to opt repository and just go to the executable and write it down here. All you have to do, just just add your tools. Well, one more thing I just want to add, and I will leave you with it. When you go to Synaptic and you start when you start installing your tools, don't install them all in one go. So you need to go like 10 tools per time. Okay, for example, when you reach Armitage, Armitage would not be installed, and it will ask you to install Metasploit first. So you're gonna have to look for Metasploit, install Metasploit, and then come back to Armitage, because it's dependency obviously, and so on and so on. I mean, there are few tools here and there, like bulk extractor. This will not install for some reason. I don't care, I don't use it. There was C, Fern Wi-Fi cracker. It wouldn't install. There was a Triangle next one, but I managed to run it anyway. Kali Linux and Kali Linux Full, forget about those two as well. Anyway, they're not going to bring anything more than icons and wallpapers and all that kind of stuff, so you don't really need it. And this one, the PDF analyzer, this one wouldn't install. For the rest, everything else installs fine, no problem. Well, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be posting some more tutorials in details about Ubuntu. Thank you so much. See you soon.